Hi, we're the Simple Teachers, and today we have a question for you. Did you know that phonemic awareness is a top predictor of future reading success? So in this video, we're going to be talking all about phonemic awareness and phonological awareness.
So phonological awareness is a big umbrella term for analyzing, detecting, and being able to manipulate the sounds of our language. And within that, we have words, being able to detect words within sentences, syllables within words, and onset rhyme, R-I-M-E, rhyme within words. And after that, the smallest unit of sound, which is phoneme. And in there we have phonemic awareness. And that's where our top predictor of future reading success is. So phonemic awareness is being able to analyze, detect, and manipulate phonemes. So within all of our words, we have phonemes, those little tiny sounds that make up every word. We're going to talk about what that means in just a minute. But tell us why. Why does this matter?
Well, we already gave it away at the beginning, but it is a top predictor of future reading success. So we know if a student is strong in these skills, and remember, it's just the sounds. The minute you connect letters written to it, you're in phonics land. So we're not speaking phonics, we're speaking phonemic awareness. And so if we can teach our students strong phonemic awareness skills, and if they're strong in it, knowing that this is a huge predictor of whether they'll be a strong reader, I mean, that's bang for your buck, right?
Yeah, yep, absolutely. We could attach those spellings to the sounds when we get to phonics.
Yeah.
But for phonemic awareness, we need to get that phonological processor really working and get it strong for them. So let's go ahead and show a couple examples, shall we?
Yeah,
all right.
Kick us off.
So in phonemic awareness, I can use blocks or markers or my fingers to show the phonemes in words. And I like blocks because they're, kind of a nice visual for the individual sounds.
I like your colors you chose.
Yeah, I do too. And it helps me to know which direction to go because
Green
as a
is
teacher,
go.
I'm going backwards.
Yeah.
Green is go, red is stop.
Yeah.
So I take my blocks, and for every sound of a word, I'm going to tap. And when I go swipe, I'm going to have my student blend that to make a word. So I'm going to give you the sounds and you're going to blend.
Okay.
All right. Fish.
Fish.
Great blending. Now this time we're going to do the opposite, and I'm going to have my student segment. So I'm going to give you the sounds for a word, and then you're going to take it apart or segment.
Great. So
that's another different skill in phonemic awareness. So I'll say the word and you segment. Bat.
Bat.
Great, segmenting. You want to show us onset rhyme?
Yeah, so for onset rhyme, using a marker is awesome because this part could be your onset sound of that word and then the rhyme, R-I-M-E, rhyme. So that last part. So same thing, you can do it either way. So I will give you the sound and you're going to say the word and blend. Okay. So oz.
Laws.
Let's do the opposite way.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to give you the word and then you do onset rhyme.
Okay.
Read.
Eed.
Okay. So marker, we all have one of those. Blocks, guarantee you have some of those.
Yeah. Segment, blend, onset rhyme, phonemes. So we showed you some phonological awareness down to phonemic awareness. We could do different manipulation. Another thing I like to do with my students sometimes is when we're standing in line or we're waiting, there's, that minute of time that you have to spare. I would think of a word and I'd say it out loud and then I'd have them change a sound and then snap what's the new word. So we're manipulating sounds in their head and then they say.
Like the words bat, change the b to a
mat.
Yeah, that's what she's talking about.
Yep. Just like that. So there's lots of things that you can do for phonemic awareness. We need about 15 minutes of instruction in phonemic awareness altogether, not at one time, in kindergarten.
Okay.
And then, what kind of lessons
By
through
second
the
grade, it's
grades?
a warm-up to your phonics lesson.
Yeah.
First grade, heavier, but
Yeah.
also a warm-up to your phonics
Yes.
lesson.
Always connected to phonics as well. So, phonemic awareness, top predictor.
Great.
Gotta have it.
Well, if you have any extra questions about phonemic awareness, let us know. Type them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. Simply Teach.